Hello folks, welcome to Ethical Empire. So this video is going to about NetBIOS enumeration. So in this video we will be saying that what is the enumeration and NetBIOS enumeration and what the term NetBIOS is, and then we will be showing some uh, techniques. So through which we will be performing NetBIOS animation. Like we will be using Windows command line utilities and NetBIOS Enumerator, and the third one that is an Nmap Scripting Engines script. So now let's get started.
Connection established.
So starting with enumeration. So what the term enumeration is? So enumeration is the process of extracting the username, machine name, network resources, sales, and the services from a system or the network. Suppose I have given a target network or a system. So in and the task which is given to me is just extract or collect information about all the users present in the system and tell me the username and tell the usernames and come with a report of usernames or something. So so this process is called animation where I will be extracting this information like the username machine names. Now what is net-based enumeration? So net-based animation is also a process of obtaining sensitive information about any target. So in this type of animation, we will be saying that such as we can have the list of computers belonging to this target domain which is given to us and the network shares, policies, etc. So it means like the net-based animation. It is the particular type of animation that is net-based animation. So in this animation, we are looking for the sensitive information about any target, like the list of computers which are belonging of that target, or which are connected, or which computers are the computers of the target domain, network shares, policies, etc. So as we get to know about NetBIOS enumeration, so before performing NetBIOS enumerations, first understand what this NetBIOS is. So NetBIOS stands for Network Basic Input and Output System. Windows operating system use NetBIOS for file and the printer sharing. It reveals the computer name or any specific or unique computer name via 16 character ASCII string. So in this 16 character ASCII string, first 15 characters tells the device name and the last 16 character which is reserved for the service or the name record type. It also identifies network devices over TCP and the UDP. NetBIOS is very simple to exploit because it runs on the Windows system even when they are not in use. It allows attackers to read or write to a remote computer system or launch any DOS attacks like denial of service attacks. Okay, so now we have moved to the techniques. Now means we have moved to the practical part. So first, let's take some theoretical knowledge, then we will move to the practical part. Okay, so perform net-based enumeration using Windows command line utilities. So, so here we will be using one tool named as nbstat. So this tool is available in Windows. So we use this tool in the command line CMD of the Windows. So nbstat is a tool which helps us in troubleshooting NetBIOS name resolution problems. This command nbstat removes and corrects the preloaded entries using several case-sensitive switches. So let's see the command in the CMD. Alright, I'm in my Windows machine now. So in the search box, I will be searching for the CMD. So now I will click on open. So here it is not increasing the font by pressing Ctrl plus A. Sorry, Ctrl plus. So you guys just comment down. So what key shortcut I should press so that the font size should get increased. I don't know. I'm so sorry for it. So now I just know one hack, that is COLOR 8. Okay. So now I'm hacker. Okay. So jokes apart, guys. Okay. So now we'll type nbstat. Dash A. So here this dash A is not for the change the color. It is to display the NetBIOS name table. And now I will be giving the IP address. What the problem is? I'm oh sorry. So my command was wrong. So it is nbtstat. Yeah. So by pressing enter, I found my result. So here is the node IP address, and this is the NetBIOS node machine name table. So here I can see the name, so it's hacker, and the type is unique and status is registered. And this another name is work group, and it is a group, and the status is registered again. Then the last name is also hacker. So I can see three names only in this table, but in your case or in your lab environment, you can find another result. You can find a long list of the names or short list of the names. I just don't know. So now I will type another command nbtstat dash c. So here dash C is to list the content of the NetBIOS name table. So here we will just get the overview of the name table, NetBIOS name table. Now I just want the content of this name table. So now I will hit enter. Okay. So here it has given me the NetBIOS remote catch name table. So you can see my name, and this 20 is what I don't know, and this type is unique and the host address, and I just get one new value, that is value, sorry, life stack, just 526. Okay. So our another command is net use. Okay. So what this command use is, it connects a computer or disconnect it from any shared source, and it also displays us the information about those computers which are connected to this machine. So I will hit enter now. Oops. So here I can see that it has given us a result that it will remember our new connections, but for now there are no entries in this list. But I was expecting that it will give us the output which will displace the information about the target, such as connection status and the shared folder names, devices names, and the network information and other stuff. But it doesn't give me any result because maybe there it has no entries, or this machine or the this machine 192.168.79.79 does not have the sharing file sharing or such option is there, which is disabled on, which may be disabled on this machine. That's why it is giving us new connections will be remembered. So now I will be moving to our next topic. Now perform NetBIOS animation using NetBIOS Enumerator. So here is the tool NetBIOS Enumerator, or we can call it software. So which we will be downloading from the Google, and then we will install this software, and then we will use this software. This NetBIOS Enumerator is a software app store. So it helps us to enable the use of remote network support and some other techniques like server message block or etc. It is also used to enumerate details such as NetBIOS names, usernames, domain names, etc. etc. So now let's move to that practical part of this tool as well. Alright, so it's time to use and download and install our uh, software or tool NetBIOS Enumerator. So for this, just go to your browser and here type NetBIOS Enumerator download and now hit enter. So click on this link DeepNet Scanner download. Click on this button download. So here it has downloaded or it has started downloading it. Okay. So now it has downloaded it. So just click on this in folder. Okay. What happened? Okay. So now just select this file which we just have downloaded. Okay. Now click on extract all. Okay, extract. Okay. So here is our application. So just click on it. Okay. So I just do full screen. So here you just give the IP address range. So I'm giving it from 1 to 225 or 255 or 254, 254. And then click on the button scan. This is very poor or very old software. So this software will be running very slowly, very slowly. So just wait to complete this scan. So here I can see that it is has started scanning from 192.160.791.224. So don't know how much time it is going to take to complete this scan. So here it has given us the result. So I have scanned from 192.168.79.1 to 254, but it has given us me the result of 225 only. So let's click here and see what is all in this um, IP address result ends. So here I can see only round trip time. This time to live value, this is 128. So with this detail value, I can expect that the operating system is Windows operating system, and the other information I cannot see here. In fact, I was expecting the result something like this, where I can see the NetBIOS name, that is here, the domain name is CEH, the workstation service, domain controller name, file server service, which is not available in my result, but in any case, if the machine is vulnerable or NetBIOS service is running on that machine, then we can definitely see the results like this. So now let's move to another technique. So this is the last technique which we will be using to perform NetBIOS enumeration. So this is known as, so in this technique we will be using an NSE script. So the name of the script is nbstat.nse. So before getting know that NSE script, first let's understand what this NSE is. So NSE stands for Network Scripting Engine. And I hope all of you know about I'm sorry, Nmap tool. So I'm telling you about NSE. So NSE allows us to write or say our simple scripts that helps us or other pupils to automate a variety of networking tasks. And this our script which we are going to use is nbstat.nse. It can be used and it is used to discover netwise shares on the network. So let's move to its practical part as well. Okay, so now I have logged in my Kali Linux. So I will be launching the terminal here. So I will be zooming the terminal so that the text and the font size will be clear to all, so you guys can read it clearly what I'm typing here. So, like I okay, the command you can see properly. That's what I mean to say. Okay, so now go type sudo and the command nmap is sv. So this sv is for the detecting the service engine. And now this V, so this V is for the verbose and the script. So here I'm giving the script name nbstat.nse. And now you need to type the IP address. So I'm typing the IP address. Okay. And now you hit enter. So just give the password. So just wait for some time as it has already started. So it is initiating NSE, completed NSE. Okay. So it has discovered some open ports like 53579122869990. Okay, it has completed since stealth scan. Let's wait for the total, like the final result. It's 99% done, so just wait for it. So here now I can see my result. So it has tells me that four ports are open like 902, 9.2, 2869 and the 5357 with the service name and the service version as well. And the response or the result of this script is this. So it has tells me the MAC address of the machine or the IP address 192.168.79.1 and it has given the service info as well. So the operating system it has tell me that the operating system is Windows and the CPU of this operating system is Microsoft Windows. So now let's move toward another command. So just clear the screen and now type sudo nmap this is you. So here I will be like performing the UDP scan and here I am just giving a particular code. So I'm giving it 137. Now just giving the script pstate.nse and the same IP address. And now hit enter. Just wait for the result. Okay. So for the port 137, so the port state of the port is that 137 UDP port is open and the service name is NetBIOS NS. It has given the MAC address, and now I can see the host script results. So nbstat is NetBIOS. The name of the machine is hacker, and the NetBIOS user is unknown here, and the IP address is same as it was here. Okay, and now we have the names of the, I think these are usernames. I just don't know. So it is hacker workgroup or again hacker. And these are some flex unique active group active unique active. So I just don't know the meaning of these flags. So I I will be leaving it on you guys to explore this in the in a detailed way. I just tell you the basics of performing NetBIOS enumeration. So at the end, I am requesting you guys to visit my website ethicalempire.com and check out our latest blogs and the videos about the cybersecurity. And until next time, stay secure and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you soon. Bye bye.